Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and safe. I should have uploaded this video last week only, but I got stuck anyway. So in this video, I will show you how I'm planning for June month, and this planning video will be different from my others video because in this planner I have added few new categories and I have discarded weekly task category. But I will show you how I am using weekly task category and why. So let's begin. So here you will see monthly overview, habit tracker, highlights, monthly review questions, and weekly task. Month at a glance, where I write month, goals, and appointments. I'm not into too much drawing and all, but sometimes I like to do this thing for fun. Like every month, this month also I have set few goals and write my appointments. I will write all stationery, all pens name in the description box so that you can check. This month I have 6 major goals and just one appointment, that is vaccination. In next page, I have added books to read in this month, skills to improve, self-care ideas, and monthly challenge. Self-care ideas and monthly challenge, these two are new, but I really wanted to add these two in this month. In self-care category, I have added 21 to 22 ideas. I'm going to practice throughout this month just because it is 22 ideas, so maybe I'll repeat few ideas. Because of COVID, I'm not able to go outside. It become very overwhelming. So I really wanted self-care activities in my life. Whatever idea I have written here, I will write in the description box so that you also can practice. And from this month, I will start this challenge thing. Every month, I will try to do few new good habits. Like this month, I'm going to try skin glowing detox smoothie. Not every day, maybe twice a week. And skipping every day. I ordered, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow it will arrive. So every month, I will try to do new challenges, so that it will bring fun to my monotonous life. In next page, I have added mood tracker and habit tracker. Mood tracker is very important, as I always say in my all bullet journals video. My work easily gets affected by my mood, so it is very important to track and notice my mood. From last 2 weeks, my mood was not at all great, but from yesterday my mood is back on track. Here I have drawn 30 small circles. Each circle means each day, and I have taken 3 colors. Yellow is bad, ochre yellow means good, and orange is awesome. The next is habit tracker. Here I have added 8 habits: miracle morning routine, skipping, journaling, YouTube video post, detox drink, skincare, meditation, and b-roll, which is related to cinematography. Here you can add anything you like to track. Last few months I have been tracking my sleep because my sleep was very irregular, but now I have noticed that now I'm sleeping almost on same time, so I didn't add that habit. So next thing is highlights. So basically I'm going to write one line for each day. Basically how I'm feeling that day or what main thing happened that day. Mainly highlight of the day. 3 dots means 30 days. Then monthly review question starts. First question is, did I work for my goals? Second is my achievement of this month. Third is things I have learned this month. Fourth is highlight of the month. And last is list of good things happened this month. This is just to bring my focus on good things, not thinking about bad things. So this is my June planner. Now I will show my weekly task. From last month I started doing this calendar blocking thing. As all the time I'm sitting in front of my laptop, so I felt it is more convenient for me. It is always open, so I can directly go to that page and I can check what are the things I have to do. For whole month I made it ready, like when I'll upload the video or when I'll work for my VFX, etc. And when it comes to day-to-day work, I will write on my sticky note. Honestly, I don't like to open my planner every now and then and check what are the things I have to do. That is why I started doing this calendar blocking, and it is working perfectly for me. So I hope you like this video and you got some idea how to use planner or bullet journal. So here only I'm finishing my video. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.